Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making ham and potato soup. You will need 4 medium red potatoes, 1 cup of ham, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1½ cups of water, 2 cups of half and half, 1/2 cup of celery, 1/2 cup of onion, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, and bacon, cheddar cheese, and chives for your topping. In a frying pan, cook your bacon until it is crispy and golden brown. Remove the bacon from the pan and set it aside until later. In a medium pot, add the potatoes, onion, celery, and ham. Pour in the chicken broth and water, then bring to a light simmer. Add the chicken bouillon, salt, and pepper, and allow the potatoes to cook for 15 minutes. While your potatoes are cooking, now it is time to make our soup base. In a separate saucepan, melt the butter. Now whisk in the flour. Add the half and half and continue to mix until the sauce has just thickened. When the potatoes are ready, pour in your sauce and mix well. Allow your soup to cook for another 10 minutes or until your potatoes have reached your desired texture. After 10 minutes, the soup is ready to serve. If you're looking for a weeknight meal that is quick and easy to make, then you must give this a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.